and welcome to Greenline Architects YouTube channel. Today we are going to present a design review for 375 square feet plot area. Elevation is designed on the modern style with the fusion of concrete and woodwork along with different modern materials. The challenge was to provide a habitable space with all the amenities and luxuries to last a lifetime. Few blocks have been carved out, which enhances the overall experience. Variety of material palette from vertical louvers, block jalis to wooden claddings were used to give a rich modern look. Before we proceed further, do subscribe our channel and press the bell button to get notified whenever we upload a video. And please show your support by liking and commenting on the videos. Secondary road caters the commercial shops on the ground floor. Entrance to the house is from the front road, which accommodates a porch area and a stairway that leads us to the residence. First floor is based on an open plan concept with light partitions to restrict the vision. Formal living area is on the right of the staircase with large open window that overlooks the front road. Living and dining are placed linearly on the left of the staircase. Basic amenities like common toilet, stove, counter basin for the hand wash are placed in this section. Second floor has a central balcony which is accessed from the foyer space. Master bedroom has an attached dress and toilet with sitting area which makes it more comfortable and cozy. Its bedroom has an attached open dress and toilet and a study zone. Third floor caters to bedroom with attached dress and toilet. Interior was lavish with the use of various material palette from woodwork, concrete, CNC, glasswork, stonework and upholstery that exhibits a colorful, vibrant look throughout the interiors. The house is filled well with daylight, allowing proper ventilation and connectivity throughout the building. terrace has a pocket green with set-out spaces, which is semi-covered through the pergolas that complements the overall structure. Comment your views about the project and do like, share and subscribe for more fresh contents.